Uh-oh, she's tired. She's closing her eyes and wanting to go take a little nap. Yeah, she's tired. Oh, she's falling asleep. Look at her falling asleep. You better lay down, baby, and take a little nap. Oh, Ketta, it's such a mess out here. Maybe we should take you into the stall. What do you think? Should we take you into the stall? Hey. Ugh. Don't come so close. You're a muddy mess. Yes, you are. Oh. She's tired. She wants to go to sleep. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, she's falling asleep. What do you think, Bonnie? She's cute, isn't she? Yeah. I'm pretty certain it's a she. Can't get up under there, but I'm pretty sure that's a filly. Yes. Oh. Oh, jeez. Hi, Ketta. You did good, girl. She's very healthy, and that's good. Yeah, she's healthy.